Yeah, so whenever I go to appointments, OT and speech and everything, I've got to do it when he's not around. He just doesn't listen. Yeah, it's really, really hard, and I feel really sorry for parents out there. You always see them, but you never thought it happened to your child.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's hard on the families. Like, yeah, it's really, really hard on the families. So sorry for them, and the system doesn't help either.
Do you worry when you're out, I mean, and he does start to have, his symptoms and his behaviours, do you worry that people are judging you, Nadia?
Yeah, I've had it on a few occasions with other kids. They'll push him and stuff, and I try to explain to them, like, the parents, you can't really tell him off. You've got to be easy on my son. He's only 2 as well, so you've got to remember that he's only little. People don't understand. You try to explain him, and they go, but he's not, like, he looks normal. I'm like, yeah, he looks normal, but he just, certain things, and, he doesn't understand like other children would.
So Nadia, at 2, I mean, you must have got diagnosed very early.
It started with his ears. He had a lot of ear problems and a lot of fluid in his ears. So a lot of the symptoms are still coming from his ears as well. So that's why I found it hard to diagnose